GDAX here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency informational video. Just wanted to talk to you today a little bit about buying your favorite altcoin on an exchange market. Today in particular, we're going to use Binance to purchase a coin that I've had my eye on named Wanchain. It's an infrastructure coin, and I've been keeping my eye on it. And now that the market's hit a little bit of a dip here, I'm ready to buy, put it in my portfolio to hold until the market grows and Wanchain grows, and hopefully get some good gains off of it. I just wanted to take a quick second here to show you that today is the 1st of April 2018, and cryptocurrency market is in a bit of a dip right now. Bitcoin's hovering right around 6,500, so it's definitely at one of its all-time lows, at least this year. But you know, when the market's down in a low, that's the time to buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our search in right here for Wanchain, and into the search bar here. It's WAN is the exchange tag for it. It's going to pull up all the information that we need on this particular coin, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here that it is sinking to one of its lower points here, and it's a good time to buy. What we got to do first is we got to go over to where it says markets, the markets tab. We got to figure out where Wanchain is being sold. Wanchain is being sold on Binance. We got to get over to the Binance site. Here on Binance, it's got a lot going on, but at the top here, there's at the top over to the right, there's a BTC, a ETH, BNB, and USDT. Those are the different types of currencies that we're going to be using. We're going to use Ethereum, and we're just going to put WAN right here, and it's going to show us, here it is, Wanchain for sale, $2.90. So it's a great buying opportunity right now. So as you can see, you've got charts here that you can deal with. You can flip through a couple things. It's a lot of information here. If you get familiar with it, some very powerful tools. But I'm ready to make a move now, so I'm not studying the market. So we're going to go ahead and get some money on Binance. So first thing we need to do is go to funds. What we're looking at is we're going to select Ethereum, ETH, right here, and then we're going to deposit our Ethereum that we're going to buy onto the Ethereum wallet here on Binance. So this is the wallet address right here on Binance for any and all Ethereum. So this is my Ethereum Binance wallet. So I'm just going to copy this and hold on to that. So now that we got our wallet, we're going to go over to Coinbase. So this is my Coinbase account, and as you can see, I have no Ethereum right now. So we need to use some US dollars to buy some Ethereum. So what we're going to do is we're going to select Ethereum. Well, we're going to go to buy and sell up top, and then bring us to the screen. We're going to select Ethereum. So I've got an account set up here, and I'm just going to put in the amount. I want to buy 350 Ethereum today, so it's going to be almost a whole Ethereum for $350 because the market's on a dip. So you select complete transaction, confirm it, and it says thank you, your purchase was successful. It's just that simple. You put in how much you want, and you click it, and boom, there it goes. And that's with the debit card setup. If you do a bank card transfer, it's going to take you about 7 business days. But anyway, now you can see we've got 0.9174 Ethereum in my Ethereum wallet. So there we go. We've got it. So now it's sitting on Coinbase. We need to get it over to Binance. So there's a real easy way to get it over to Binance with no fees, and it's called GDAX. GDAX is owned by Coinbase. They work together with each other. So if you're signed into Coinbase and you load GDAX, it's automatically going to sign you in. So first thing we want to do is right where it says to the right of GDAX, you want to select the type of currency you're going to use. So we're going to do Ethereum, so you're going to go to ETH/USD. So once you click that, it's going to take you to this deposit funds screen. So we're going to deposit funds onto GDAX first so that we can ship it over to Binance for free. So we're going to get the Ethereum from our Coinbase account. So we're just going to select Coinbase account right here. It's going to show you what we have in our wallet. So we're just going to make a selection here. We got the wallet, and then we're going to put in the amount. So I'm just going to bring it all over. Put in the amount of Ethereum I have, and there we go. We're just going to deposit the funds. So this is going to pull those Ethereum from Coinbase into GDAX. So as you can see right now, I've got 0.91 Ethereum sitting there on GDAX. So from here, we're going to go back to Binance, make sure we get that wallet, because now we're going to send the Ethereum from GDAX to the exchange. We're going to copy it again, just to make sure we got everything. And then we're going to go back to GDAX. Okay, so once we get to GDAX, now we're going to withdraw funds. So you see the withdraw button. So we're just going to click on withdraw right here, and it's going to pull up a screen, and we're going to send this to an Ethereum address this time. So we're going to select Ethereum address, and it's going to give us some information that we need to fill out. We need the destination, which is going to be the wallet on Binance that we copied. So boom, that's there. I don't want to transfer the whole thing over. I just want to do enough to buy some Wanchain. I'm going to use the rest of this coin to buy another type of coin on a different exchange. But for right now, we're just going to do 0.6 Ethereum. It's going to want our security code to complete this transaction. I've got a Google Authenticator, so we'll just go ahead and put that in. And we'll scroll down to the bottom here. And boom, we'll withdraw the funds. So this is going to send the money that we deposited into GDAX over to Binance into that wallet with no fees. So now we're going to go over to Binance. Should be on its way. We're just going to go to funds. We're just going to check out, see what the status is. So right now you see it pending up there, and I'm just going to do a little time lapse because it usually takes about 5-10 minutes or something like that. And through the magic of time warp, we're going to slide into the future. Here we go. So as you can see, it's completed. All right, so now we've got 0.6 Ethereum sitting in our Binance wallet, ready to spend. So all is well, as you can see. Right here it is at the top. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go back to the exchange. So from here, this is where we're going to buy our coin. We're almost finished. This is the easy part. So make sure you click Ethereum at the top, like we talked about before, and then put in your coin that you're looking for. The WAN is right here, and then you want to click on it right underneath. What that's going to do is load all the information for Wanchain. You want to see that up in the upper left corner, the WAN. So we're just going to get right into this. We're going to go down and we're going to buy it. So when you click on the WAN at the top, it's going to populate the best price for you. And it's going to pre-populate that price right where it says buy. So you have a buy and you have a sell. We're doing the buy section, and you see the price. Well, that pre-populates when you click on the WAN up in the upper right section there. We click 100% for amount because I want to spend all my Ethereum. So from here, we're just going to click the buy WAN at the bottom, and it's going to initiate the transaction. So you can monitor your transaction over on the left. You got the buys and you got the sells. You could tell when the transaction goes through. You could keep an eye on it. It may take a little bit for it to go through, but just be patient. If you want, there's another way we can take a look. We can go right up to our funds, and it'll bring up all of the coins, and we're just going to put our WAN here and see if the transaction went through, and there it is. Looks like it came through. All is well. And now we have that coin in its own wallet sitting on the exchange here. I don't have a problem with leaving my assets on the Binance site. It's very secure. It's got two-factor authentication, and I trust it just the same as I trust Coinbase. I've got multiple coins on the Binance exchange, and it's never been a problem, and it's one of the more secure ways to do it. So that's how you buy your favorite altcoin. Be on the lookout for some other videos. There's a referral link in the bottom for World Mining. You can click on that referral link. It'll take you right to World Mining, and you can sign up. You can register from there and create an account. You'll be linked up with us, and it'll all be good. So if you want to join our team, be happy to have you. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I love sharing information. If there's something you're looking for in particular, send me a little comment. Until we meet again, see ya.